This is how to make creamy, nourishing red pepper soup. First, get your ingredients ready. Get yourself 1 clove of garlic, 2 red peppers, a tin of tomatoes, 1 litre of vegetable stock, 150 grams of cashew nuts, some salt and 2 onions. First, you need to carefully peel and roughly chop up your garlic. Next, carefully peel and roughly chop your 2 onions. Next, it's your 2 peppers, making sure to take out the seeds and the stalk, and then give them a rough chop as well. After that, get your pan on the go on a medium heat, add a splash of oil and soften the onions and the garlic for 4 minutes. After this, you can add a generous pinch of salt and peppers and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the tomatoes, the vegetable stock and the cashew nuts. So you're going to put all 3 in with the other veg. You can turn the heat up then and you can bring it to the boil. That's when you get nice fat bubbles popping. Once it's boiling, just turn it down onto maybe a medium or a low heat and simmer it gently for about 15 minutes. It's going to soften all your veg up nicely. After this time, it's ready for blitzing. So you could use a blender, you could use a stick blender, or you could use a food processor. We're using a blender, so we just put it all in, make sure the lid is on, and then whiz it all up together. And this is going to make it super, super creamy. And then you'll find that there's plenty for 4 people with extras, with leftovers. So it could serve more than 4, and you can have that with some nice crusty bread. Maya. If you like a little bit of heat, you can season your soup with some chili flakes. You could add a little bit of black pepper, and maybe to make it look fancy, even a little bit of basil as well.